Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new to my channel, I want to give you a sincere welcome. I hope that you'll consider subscribing. I would love to have you. And if you do subscribe, remember to click on the bell right next to the subscribe button. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you enjoy this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. This just lets me know what kinds of videos you guys like to see from me. So in today's video, I will be doing a thorough cleaning and organizing of my food pantry. As much of a clean freak as I am embarrassed to admit that my food pantry has really gone into neglect. It is a complete disaster. There is no organization to it. So today I will be sharing with you how I organize my pantry on a budget. Something super easy that you'll be able to do as well. So here is the before. This is the current disastrous state of my food pantry. As you can see, there's no organization whatsoever, and I think since I knew I was going to be organizing it, I knew I wanted to do this video. I think it's gotten worse. I think I've kind of let it get even worse, but I will start by clearing everything out of the pantry, and then I will vacuum and wipe down the floor. Muffins fan. These pumpkin spice muffins are so tasty. They're out for just a limited time, but pick these up, they're worth it. Now I'm just sorting through everything, grouping like products together, and throwing out anything that has expired. So here are all of the items I plan to use for organizing. The plastic bins I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and then everything else I got from Homegoods. And this will be really useful for storing plastic bags and tin foil, and it was only $4, so definitely a good buy for that. This I'm going to use for my canned goods. Again, this was really inexpensive, like $5 for this. And if there's any Rae Dunn fans out there, how cute are these? I could not pass these up. They were only $7 a piece. I still have yet to wash them, but they are just so adorable. And what's better yet, this little door opens on this sweets tin. I just think it's so cute. Here I'm just planning out where I want to place the bins, what I want to put in them, and what labels I want to put on the bins. To label the bins, I'm using these chalkboard stickers and this chalk marker, both of which I purchased from Michael's. And here is my newly cleaned out, organized pantry. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I am gonna go back up to the dollar store and get some more bins because I did run out of room for my chips. So I'm hoping they still have these white ones because they had other colors as well. and I'm thinking the white ones are probably going to be the most popular ones, so I'm hoping that they still have them, but I'm really happy with this. I may change things around as I use the pantry and just kind of get a feel for what's going to work best. But I did put my canned goods down here just because it looked nicer, so aesthetically it just looked nicer. And then of course I have my baggies and tinfoil there. Actually, I'm missing my baggies. I gotta go find my baggies, but I'll set those like right on top here. There's space for them on top. And then I have my water bottles. I made a bin for baking, one for my noodles. So I got like the macaroni and cheese and spaghetti noodles and that in there. Another baking bin. And then I made two snack bins. So these will be for like the kids' lunches or just miscellaneous snacks that they need or want. And these are breakfast items. I've got oatmeal and applesauce in there. A bin for mixes. This little basket, or not so little basket, I plan to use for fruits or breads or both. And then a bin for condiments. And I stored my paper towels up on top. That's typically where I keep them. Of course, I have the cute Rae Dunn tins, and I put them on the top shelf so that the kids couldn't get into them. And then I've got my flour and sugar in these, excuse me, these stainless steel bins I already had. And then I kept this. This is actually one of those. This stores all of the plastic grocery bags in it. So, but yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out.